Hello everyone, how to solve x plus square root of x is equal to x square root of x, and we have to find the value of the x which satisfy this equation. Now let us solve this. First of all, we subtract x square root of x on both sides. We get x plus square root of x minus x times square root of x is equal to x times square root of x minus x times square root of x. Now on the right hand side it is of opposite sign. We can cancel out both of this term, and now we get x plus square root of x minus x times square root of x is equal to 0. Now in the next step, on taking square root of x out, and we get square root of x time here remaining only square root of x plus 1 minus of x is equal to 0. Now here are two terms. First term is a square root of x, and second term is a square root of x minus 1 and minus of x. Now on equating both of this term to 0, we get square root of x is equal to 0, or square root of x plus 1 minus of x is equal to 0. Now we get here we get x is equal to 0, or square root of x is equal to x minus of 1. Now here we get x is equal to 0. Now from this term we get on squaring both sides we get square root of x whole square is equal to x minus 1 whole square. Now it is greater than or equal to 0 because it is of in square form. No, it cannot be negative, thus it is equal to or greater than equal to 0, which implies x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, which implies x is greater than or equal to 1. Now from here we get this and this can be cancelled out, which implies x gives out x is equal to x minus 1 whole square. Now we get x is equal to a minus b whole square. It become a square means that x square minus 2 of a means that 2 times x, and plus b square means that 1. Now which implies x square minus 2 of x and plus 1 is equal to x. Now we get, on subtracting minus of x on both sides, we get minus of x and minus of x. Now on the right hand side it is of opposite sign, we can cancel out. Now on the left hand side it remain x square minus of 2 of x and minus of x, it become minus of 3 of x and plus 1 is equal to 0. No, it is a quadratic equation. Now we use quadratic formula. X is equal to minus of b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac divided by 2 of a. Now here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus of 3, and c is equal to 1. Now x gives out minus of b means that 3 plus minus square root of b square. B square means that minus of 3 whole square minus 4 times ac means that 4 times 1 times 1 divided by 2 of a means that 2 times 1. Now from this we get x is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 3 square means minus 3 square, it become minus times minus, it become plus, and 3 square means that 9, and minus 4 divided by 2. Now it gives out 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 4, it become 5 divided by 2. You know, from here it is two value of x. One is 3 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and the second value is 3 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now as we have x is greater than or equal to 1, means that x is either equal to 1 or greater than 1. Now from here we know that square root of minus of 3 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, it is less than 1. No, No, we reject this root, and we have only root is x is equal to 3 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and first value is x is equal to 0. Thus there are only two values of x, means that two root of x, one is 0 and second is 3 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. If you're new here, make sure that you to subscribe our channel for more informative video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.